there's been a lot of, I've had people call me and say, why is it that organizations like the AMA and all these health insurance companies are supportive of abortion and supporting government health care? If they're supporting government health care, they support the option of paying for abortion through it. And again, this is something we've talked about in the past, and we need to remind people. There's reasons why both of these entities are pro-abortion. First off, in the medical community, I cannot tell you how many times we have dealt with malpractice suits regarding abortion in which it came out that the reason the doctor was trying to get the abortion was because he was trying to cover up the malpractice that either he or someone else had committed against this woman who was pregnant. Yeah. Abortion is the way these guys, if you go to one of these guys, and he may personally know that abortion is murder. But if he thinks, wow, I gave you a drug and I didn't know that you were pregnant at the time, we forgot to screen you, right, and this may have caused a problem with your baby, I better come back in and tell you that you got a problem with your baby, and the best thing for you to do is termination. Because if that baby's born and it's got a problem, it comes out that it's because we gave you some drug, lawsuit. We got a big old lawsuit. Yeah. And that's the primary reason I believe that so many people in the medical community are pro-aborts, because they understand that it protects them against malpractice. As for the insurance companies, it's a very simple, we always know this thing always goes back to money, right? If you're an insurance company, you're selling health insurance, and this would be true if we're talking about national health care, it's much cheaper to pay for $1,000, $500 abortion than it is to add that child that's born onto the health care cost. Right. It's much cheaper to pay for that than it is to pay for the birth of that baby and the prenatal care for the mom. Yeah, sure. Let's say everything goes right. Right. The prenatal care.
It's still a $15,000, $20,000 birth as opposed to a $500 or $1,000 abortion.
Right. And babies are cheaper if they're killed than if they're allowed to live.
And no carbon.
Doesn't that sound like a eugenic argument, though?
I'm telling you, the more you look at this, the more you see that eugenics is the heart of abortion.
And it's the heart of this health care program.
It absolutely is. And even Obama admitted that.
I stopped calling it a health care reform package. I call it the abortion bailout package. It's the abortion industry's bailout package. You know, the car industry got it, the banking industry got it, the insurance industry got it, AIG got it, and now it's time for the abortion industry to get their bailout.